I'm surprised that there's no videos about this already. Hey guys! Hi, I am Tori. Today's video is about how to make DIY poly mailer bags from shopping bags. So I'm talking more about the plastic that's sturdy like this, not like the ones that you would get at a grocery store. And if you'd like to get right into the video. Okay, so I didn't get a chance to show this, but I did cut the seams of the bag and then I just laid it flat. And right now I'm adding a 1-inch border that's going to be a flap eventually. And then you have the choice of either measuring out how big you want the package to be or tracing a template. So I just used a mailer bag that I had around, but you can either use a book, a piece of paper, honestly anything, and it will just make your life so much easier. And then you're going to take that same template and you're just going to put it right on top so it makes the base of the package. So I'm just tracing this once again, and then I'm going to add a 1-inch border or flap on either of the sides which has the other 1-inch border, just as shown. And right now I'm cutting it all out, and I would suggest using fabric scissors if you happen to have that. It will just make everything so much smoother. I was kind of struggling using just regular craft scissors, but just use what you have. Now that your item is cut out, you're going to fold everything together, and with 2 of the sides you're going to fold that 1-inch border into 1/2 inch and then fold it over again 1/2 inch and then tape that up with the masking tape. This is going to create a nice seam, and make sure to do that to 2 sides, leaving one of them open so you can stick the item in there. I would suggest the larger side so you have more space. If you like, you can also add some stickers to make the package more cute. And then I just showed what it would look like to have an item inside of the bag, so you could see how I close everything. And I also made a little mock shipping label, but usually the shipping label would be larger and completely taped on. And here you can see how durable this material is, so you can feel confident in making this. So this is what it ends up looking like. So I put some stickers to make it a little cuter, but you can do whatever else you want to do. You can like draw on the back, and then this is where the ship-in label. So if you have these bags already, then you can make this hack. I'm not saying and I'm not suggesting for you to go to the store and receive one of these. It's more of like the situation if you have it lying around, or if you want to ask your friends and fam, because 99% of the time those bags are from fast fashion stores, and that is not something I support, because the whole point of this hack is just to be a little more circular with our resources and to get creative. This is kind of in the beginning stages of the development of these poly mailer bags, so if you find better hacks or tips, please share them because I'd like to know. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope that you give this hack a try. It's super easy. You can make them in any size you like. If you guys like this video, please like and subscribe because I will be posting more eco-friendly hacks. Thank you.